Welcome to our top 5 best portable adjustable laptop stand video. If you're someone who is always on the go and needs to work from your laptop, then this video is for you. In today's fast-paced world, we need to be able to work efficiently from anywhere, and a portable laptop stand is the perfect solution. We've done the research and have compiled a list of the top 5 best portable adjustable laptop stands. These stands are designed to be lightweight, adjustable, and versatile, making them ideal for use in any situation. Whether you're working at a desk, on a plane, or in a coffee shop, these stands will ensure that you have a comfortable and ergonomic workspace. So, without further ado, let's get started with our top 5 best portable adjustable laptop stands. Number 5. New Alizon Pro 360 Rotating Adjustable Portable Travel Laptop Stand. The new Alizon Pro laptop stand is the perfect accessory for anyone who uses a laptop every day. Made of high-quality aluminum and with a sleek and stylish design, this stand is both lightweight and durable, making it easy to carry. It can hold laptops up to 17 inches and has an unslip surface to keep your laptop safe. The 360-degree rotating feature makes it easy to switch between landscape and portrait modes, perfect for presentations or watching videos. One of the best things about this stand is its versatility. It can be used as a stand for your laptop, a holder for your tablet, or even a stand for your phone, making it the perfect stand for multitaskers who use multiple devices for work. In conclusion, the new Alizon Pro laptop stand is the perfect accessory for anyone looking for a portable and adjustable stand to make their work life easier and more comfortable. With its lightweight, durable, and versatile design, this stand is the perfect travel companion for anyone who needs to work on their laptop on the go. Click on the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 4. Obvus Solutions Adjustable Laptop Stand. The Obvus Solutions Adjustable Laptop Stand with integrated smartphone holder is a great product for those who are looking for a high-quality, adjustable, and portable laptop stand. The stand is made of high-quality materials and feels very sturdy when in use. The adjustability of the stand is a great feature as it allows users to find the perfect angle and height for their laptop, reducing strain on their neck and shoulders. The integrated smartphone holder is also a great feature as it allows users to keep their phone in a convenient location while working. One of the best things about this stand is its compact and portable design. It is easy to take with you on the go, making it perfect for those who work from different locations. The foldable design also makes it easy to store when not in use. Overall, the Obvus Solutions Adjustable Laptop Stand with integrated smartphone holder is a great product for anyone looking for a high-quality, adjustable, and portable laptop stand that makes a significant difference in their work experience. Click on the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 3. Alizon BMXG Adjustable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand. The Alizon Adjustable Laptop Stand is a great investment for anyone who spends a lot of time using a laptop. The stand is made of high-quality aluminum alloy and is very sturdy and durable. It also has a sleek and modern look that blends in well with office decor. The stand is easy to adjust and can be rotated 360 degrees, allowing users to find the perfect angle for their laptop. The multiple angles also make it easy to switch between sitting and standing positions, which is great for reducing strain on the neck and shoulders. The stand is also lightweight and portable, which makes it easy to take with you on the go. It can be used at work, home, and even when traveling, and it is a great addition to any laptop setup. Overall, the Alizon BMXG Adjustable Laptop Stand is a great investment for anyone who wants to improve their posture and reduce strain on their neck and shoulders. It is highly recommended. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Click on the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 2. Tiny LS7 X Pro Portable Adjustable 306-sided Laptop Stand. The Tiny LS7 X Pro Adjustable Ergonomic 306-sided Laptop Stand is a highly versatile and ergonomic laptop stand that is designed to improve posture and comfort while using a laptop for long periods of time. It can raise the laptop to eye level and provide a more comfortable angle for typing and viewing the screen. This stand is fully adjustable and ergonomic, allowing for a wide range of viewing angles and positions. It also has a unique 360-degree rotation feature, which could be useful for presentations or collaboration. Additionally, it is made from high-quality aluminum alloy and is built to be durable and lightweight. The Tiny LS7 X Pro Adjustable 306-sided laptop stand is a good investment for anyone who uses a laptop regularly and wants to improve their posture and comfort while working. However, it's always a good idea to read reviews of the specific product and see if it suits your needs before making a purchase. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. Up next, Number 1. ProtoArc ESOM Adjustable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand. The ProtoArc Adjustable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand is a well-designed and functional stand that is perfect for use at home or in the office. The stand is made of high-quality materials and is very sturdy, making it a durable option for daily use. One of the standout features of this stand is its 360-degree rotation, which allows users to easily switch between landscape and portrait modes. This is especially useful when working on design projects or watching videos. The stand also has an adjustable height feature, which allows users to adjust the height of the stand to their preferred viewing angle. The ergonomic design of the stand is also a huge plus. The stand is designed to elevate the laptop to eye level, which helps to reduce neck and back strain. This is especially helpful when working for long periods of time. The stand also has an anti-slip rubber pad which keeps the laptop in place and prevents it from sliding around. Overall, the ProtoArc ESOM Adjustable 360 Rotating Laptop Stand is a high-quality, well-designed product that makes working on a laptop much more comfortable and ergonomic. It is highly recommended for anyone who spends a lot of time working on a laptop. Click the link in the video description for more details or to order. The video concludes with the hope that viewers found this information useful and will consider purchasing one of these amazing stands to enhance their productivity on the go. It encourages viewers to like and subscribe for more great content. Thank you for watching.